What's going on, everyone? Let's install the Java JDK to learn some Java. So to install the JDK, we're going to go to oracle.com/java/technologies/downloads. I know that's a mouthful, so check the link below and you'll be able to get to this page. Once you're on this page, go ahead and go to the operating system of your choice. I'm going to select Windows, and then I'm going to do the x64 installer if I'm doing Windows. So let's go ahead and give that a click. It's going to download for you, and once it's done downloading, you're going to want to go ahead and open that download. It's going to ask if you want to make changes. Click yes. And then it's going to bring up the install wizard. We're just going to go ahead and do all the defaults. So go ahead and click next. Next. It's going to install. Once it's done installing, go ahead and hit close. Congratulations, you now have the Java JDK. So to test that and make sure that's correct, let's go ahead and open up a command prompt. And then from here, you can simply type Java C space -- version. And you should see the version that you installed, 18.0.2. And we can see that we have that here. Without the Java JDK, we can't do any work in Java. So make sure to get this installed if you want to follow along. But that concludes this tutorial. Thank you for your time. I'm going to pass it back to me in the future. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the content, please continue to follow along. In the next one, we're going to do some more fun stuff. So go ahead and check out the next video, or don't.
You better check out that next video or I'm gonna get you.
That's all for today, everybody. I hope you have a great day. Catch you later.